Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson, I will teach you on how to block application on Sophos firewall. So to do this, first you need to go to application here. Okay, you need to add, and then you can put any application that you want to block. For example, I want to uh, block Facebook app. Okay, for example, okay, save. Okay, and after that, we need to click on it, and then you need to click add. Okay, so here are the harmful website that Sophos has been uh, assigned for us or has been already did for us. But if you want to find which app that you want to specify block, you can also click here, click on here, filter here, and then I will put Facebook, for example, apply. Okay, so it will be list all the information related to Facebook. Okay, so I can select it all, or I can choose only specific like Messenger or Facebook Android or Facebook iOS. Here I will click all, and then here you need to choose the night, and this you can also schedule on a weekday or on any day or on any time. You can specify it. I will put all time and save. Okay, so here all the list that you have that related with Facebook, it will be blocked. And then after you already here, you click save again, click save here, and then you go to your rule and policy. Here you can also create new rule here, or you can also apply it on the rule that you allow the client to access. Okay, so I will allow on the my rule here, and then here, so this one, if you want to do web filtering, you can also check on my previous video. And for the web application, you choose here, and then you find the word block. Okay, block Facebook app here. Okay, just click on it and save. Okay, so you can also do both at the same time for Facebook web and also for the uh, Facebook app. Okay, click save it. So when you want to do both web application or we can say application and on the web page, you can also do of the web policy and application here. Okay. Okay, so it has been applied. Okay, and then after this, everyone can go to test, use your mobile, and here I can also test from here on my web page also, like Facebook. Okay, this one I just block through web page, it cannot be accessed. Okay, but if I browse another website that I haven't blocked, it can be accessed as normal. So if you have like smartphone or Android from our staff, then they want to access through this app that we have blocked, cannot be accessed. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find this lesson useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.